My name is Adarsh and I am studying in 6th class from Gangotri Public School. And about my school, I want to talk that in my school there are a lot of things that I learned, and everyone is learning from now and from every day. And the things that I know and everyone is learning are specific values like honesty, confident, not confident, but honesty, cooperative, and a lot. And in studies they are learning a lot of subjects too, like history, SST, science, and English and maths a lot. Yes, something that changed is a lot. There are a lot of things that changed to me, as my values that changed in me are like I was not honest when my teacher didn't came, but he told me and he taught me how to be honest and cooperative and a lot of things, and studies also. There are a lot of ways in which we can show, and I have shown, in the class when my group members, in my group there are a lot of groups in my class, and when a lot of times when we make a group discussion, that time we have to be cooperative, as we have to say what to do, and when they are shouting we have to be cooperative with them, like don't shout, and we can't just slap them and make them quiet. Yes, it will help me when I will be growing, as if I will go for a job, that time it will help me, as when there will be some members of my job and they will ask something, or some work will be needed for them, and I will be cooperative with them, which will make my work and their work faithful and good. When I want to be a IAS officer. I want to be a IAS officer because I am interested in it, because at this time there are a lot of corruption in India, and first of all I want to fight against it. Corruption, the way that corruption is spreading in India, and I don't want it to be spreading a lot, as by corruption our India is also not developing. Yes, I think so. Now these days there are a lot of subjects that I study, like SST. In SST, social political life, and from that I get a lot of knowledge which will help me to be a IAS officer, and it will also help me to get a lot of issues. For this year, my goal in RC is to cross level 6, and for math more than 90%. In maths I am at 67%, and in science or RC, in RC I am on 5.5. These days I and my teacher is working a lot hard for me and my all friends, as we are doing a lot of extra classes and RC practice papers. This year I am proud about first of all the values that I am using, and the studies that I got from my teacher, that he taught me. The things that he gives me a lot of knowledge. First of all, he gives me a lot of knowledge based on everything in our class, even on political things and science, GK, and everything that will help me, and that is helping me to achieve my goals. The things he is doing a lot of hard work, as he made a lot of rules, and he is doing a lot of extra classes these days, which is making our class and all students more powerful in studies. I think a teacher can be great teacher, as by not being angry, and the one who can empathy for the students. So the things that students are cooperative with each other, that teachers should be also cooperative with each other, and students. It's important because a lot of times if a teacher don't know what to do in the class, as they will come and do whatever they want, it will not make a class good, and the student will not able to remember anything, as the plan makes a class good. There are a lot of things in which my teacher improved in last 1 year and 2 years. In this year my teacher improved in a lot of things. He was used to angry a lot on us, but now he is understanding us, and he is also good, as everyone in the class is listening him, as he also improved himself by not talking angry. in terms of teaching, like he is now doing extra work, as the last time we used to like not finish a lot of syllabus that was extra, but now he is doing something very fast and which is making everyone understand. Like the challenges are very simple, as they they are more better than us. We can feel a lot of times when the marks goes up from us, that time it makes us to do better. So there will be a lot of challenges, like when I will go for a like interview or a written exam, that time I will have needed a lot of things, as I can't be a IAS officer because of my knowledge only, as there like my marks and achievements if we compare to them, it will be less, as they will be higher, but when we can be like achieve good things, that time we will be also able to go with them.